How to charge Insta360 X5 batteries with charging station. So first of all, once you have removed the battery from your Insta360 X5 device, you can take your charging station and then simply insert your battery in this portal. Once you do so and then press it, it will automatically get locked. Now, as you can see that the battery has been inserted, below you can see a cable. Now, you can simply charge this charging station by connecting this USB cable to any of your devices like your PC as well. If not, you can take any USB Type-C charger cable. So as I have USB Type-C charger with me, all I'm going to do is just insert this charger to this port. Now once it has been connected, you can see lights flashing. Now this flashing light shows that the battery is being charged currently. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.